So today in this video we will discuss about the task capture, how we can download task capture and how we can install task capture, and then I'll explain the complete dashboard of the task capture and how we can create a business level diagram in task capture, how we can record complete scenario, complete steps in the task capture, then how we can create a PDD in task capture, and then we will see how we can create our own PDD in task capture, right? So these all of the scenario we will see in this complete playlist in this video. Please watch this video till the end. And if you have any questions regarding UiPath and UiPath project, then you can connect me on LinkedIn directly, and you can connect me on Instagram and just comment your questions in the video comment box. I'll try to give answer of your questions, and I'll mention all the links in the video description, right? So for the downloading task capture, what we need to do, so simple, I'll provide the downloadable link in the video description. Just click on that link, so it will be open in the browser. So you have to give your complete details in this form. So I already downloaded, but you have to fill your first name, last name, and your business email ID. If you are working in a company, so you can just mention your company email ID, then select country, region, company name, job title, and phone number, and just check out these checkbox and click on the register. So when you will click on the register after filling all the details, then you will get a email on your registered email ID, and on that email ID you will get a link, you will get a downloadable button. When you will click on the download button, so task capture start downloading, right? I already downloaded task capture in my system, so I'll double click on this setup file, I mean .exe file. So it will start installing in my system. This pop-up will come. I just need to click on I agree button, and it will start installing, right? So it will take some time to install. So it's already installed, and now we have one pop-up to just log in into the task capture. So like we can select any one option. So I'll select first option, sign in to UiPath automation cloud account, and you can just go through with the last option, community license, if you have community license, or if you have license key particular for the task capture, then you can just go with second option. So I'll click on first option, so it will automatically go to my orchestrator and just it will fetch complete details. So I'll select one account, it will fetch the details automatically, and I'll open the task capture again, right? So it's completely installed in my system, it's already logged in. If you want to see, then you can just check email ID. Okay, so now I'll discuss about the complete dashboard of the task capture, like where we can start recording the complete steps, and what is the settings in this task capture we can change according to our requirements, right? So first option is start. When we click on the new document, so we have two options here, build diagrams and capture process. When we click on build diagram, so we will get this screen. On this screen we can just select any diagrams, I mean any icons based on our requirement. If I just want to add a decision box, then I'll drag and drop this decision box here, right? And I can just add any edge, right? I can just connect the decision box with rectangle or any circle, right? Here we can just create a business level diagram, high level diagram, simple diagrams as per our requirements. So I'll discuss this build diagram in the next video in the detail. I'll explain everything, how we can change the colors and how we can add a screenshot on a particular decision box, right? So this type of detail I'll explain the next video. And if I just click on the capture process, it gives a pop-up to just select the quality of selectors, like when I will click on the any steps, I'll capture any steps, it will capture selectors automatically. So we have to select the option, like if we want to capture low quality selectors, medium quality selectors, and high quality. So this type of details we have to select here. As of now, I'll select high level and just click on submit. Now it's preparing for capturing the steps. So after that we will get this screen start capture, and I'll just open this RP challenge website. When I click on the start capture, it will start capturing the document when I will click on any button. So let's suppose I click on start button, just capture this screenshot, and I can just mention title, click on start button, and I can mention description, right? And if I want to stop this complete structure, complete process, I'll click on the stop button. Here we will get this very small workflow. Circle, it means just start, indicating that start our workflow, and rectangle, it means like we have captured only one screen, so you can see one action and 7.6 seconds. In this screen we just captured only one action, right? And if we want to edit this action, then we can just click here, edit action, and we can just edit this rectangle box or the indicating a particular button. So we can just do this type of actions here. We have multiple options, so I'll discuss these all of the options in the next video, right? So in this video we will just cover basic details of the task capture, right? When I click on the second screen, like open from PC, okay, so it means like if we have already created a document, we can just okay, let's suppose I have one diagrams here. I just want to open that, so I'll select the same diagrams and click on open, right? So this diagram I already created, so I can just share this diagram with my teams, and that teams just can open the diagram in their task capture, right? It's a very simple diagram, right? So we can just create a very high complex diagram in a task capture. I'll discuss the diagram in the next video. I'll go on home and the setting. So in the setting we have multiple options to just change the language, change the theme, change text size, right? And we can just check the or edit or license here, capturing, like we can just pass some hotkey here to pause and resume the capture, F10 stop capturing, F9 focus capturing window, F8, right? And in the capturing mode we can just change the details here. So when we select a detail, so it will capture our keyboard inputs, mouse inputs, right? Everything it will capture. In the high level we can just select, like if you want to capture only mouse click, we can just select the capture on mouse click. If you want to capture only keyboard inputs, so we can just select the second one option, right? So these type of changes we can do in the capturing mode, right? And in the extension, okay, sorry, we have left one more option, selector configuration. So here we can change the selectors as per based on our requirements. If we are working on the SAP, then we can just select custom options here. So why we need to do, why we need to select these type of options, I'll discuss in the next video. Because when we create a PDD, so this PDD, this diagram, we can just export in a UiPath workflow as well, right? So when we export in a UiPath workflow, then selector will automatically create when we capture the screenshot. So for that we need to just select this type of options here. If we want to just capture only Java application, we can just select as low, medium. So this type of changes we can do here, right? And in the extension, if we want to work on the Java application, then we need to install this extension. So we have to install this, all of the extension based on our requirement. If we want to work on Mozilla Firefox, then we have to install this extension, Mozilla Firefox, right? And in the branding, if we want to change this circle, like I'm working in a company, and in my company logo color is a blue, right? And I just want to keep that color in my PDD as well, so I can just change the color here, right? Blue or any purple color I can just do. So when I set these settings here, so when I will create a PDD, so it will automatically like keep the blue color in my PDD in any screenshot. Okay, and if I want to remove the shadow, so I can just remove from here and I can just add from here. And the line, if I want to add a lines, if I want to change the line color, I can do from here in the sequence highlighter. So these all of the details we can change from here, right? In the help section, if you want to read the documentation, then we can just go from academy, release notes, if any questions you have forum, and report and issues. If you have any issues, you can report from here. Okay, so in this video we just covered how we can download task capture, how we can install task capture, what all are the things we can do in the task capture start, and how we can create a PDD, how many types of diagrams we can build here. These all of the details we have covered in this video. Next video I'll just cover how we can create a PDD, how we can create our own PDD in the task capture. So guys, still if you have any question, you can just connect me on Instagram or LinkedIn and just put your question in the comment box. I'll try to give, and I'll give your answer in the comment box or in any platform, right? And all of the links I'll just mention in the description box. Just check the description, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and just share the video with your friends and on the social media platform. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.